In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication in Microsoft Teams. Two-factor authentication, often called 2FA, adds an extra layer of security on top of your password. Even if someone manages to guess or steal your password, they still can't get into your account without that second verification step, such as a code sent to your phone or generated by an authentication app. This is especially important for Microsoft Teams since it often contains work conversations, shared files, and sensitive information. Let's walk through how to turn this on step by step, starting from Microsoft Teams in your web browser. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Teams screen, look toward the upper right-hand corner. You'll see your profile icon there. This might show your initials or a small photo, depending on your account. Click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with options related to your account and settings. From that menu, look for the option that says My Microsoft Account and click on it. This will open a new tab or window in your browser and take you to the Microsoft Account website, where all of your main account settings are managed. If it asks you to sign in again, go ahead and enter your usual Microsoft credentials. Now that you're on the Microsoft Account homepage, find the Security section along the top navigation bar and click on it. This is where Microsoft groups all the tools for protecting your account, including password management, activity history, and two-factor authentication. After you click Security, you'll see security-related options and possibly some recommendations from Microsoft. Here, look for the area related to two-step verification or additional security. The exact wording may vary slightly, but you'll see clear links or buttons guiding you to set up extra verification. Click through and then simply follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts will walk you through choosing how you want to receive your verification codes. You might be asked to set up an authenticator app, confirm a phone number, or verify an email address. Read each screen carefully, confirm any codes that are sent to you, and complete the setup until Microsoft tells you that two-step verification is turned on. Once you've finished, your Microsoft account, and therefore Microsoft Teams, will be protected with two-factor authentication. From now on, when you sign in, you'll use your password plus that extra verification step, giving your account much stronger protection.